At my buddy Ken's house, we're gonna make some baby back ribs. We've got to wash our hands first, of course. My friend Leslie is here, and Ronson is here. We're gonna make you some baby back ribs to make at home. So we bought these at the Huntington Market on Fairfax, the farmer's market. Huge baby back ribs. I mean, if you go to Wood Ranch, you're not gonna find anything like this. You can find something like this at Smart and Final, I'm sure, but maybe not as big. So we're gonna cook them in the oven for about an hour, and we're gonna finish them off on the barbecue for about an hour. So what's the secret sauce? All right, mustard. Plenty of mustard. Plenty of mustard. Horseradish. And my friend Ronson says lots of seasoning. He said not a little bit of seasoning, but lots of seasoning. How's that? That's lots of seasoning. We've got this Montreal seasoning that I got at, like I said, Farmer's Market. My friend Huntington Meats. Got a lot of this stuff. I washed my hands. You guys saw that. So now we gotta rub it in. Are you getting turned on? We gotta rub it in. All right? Rub it in. It's all rubbed in. All right? We're gonna do what's called a tent. And what a tent means is the aluminum foil is going to have a little bit of room so that it can breathe. But with any good ribs and any good cooking, you got to add some wine. There we go. Okay, so we got that. What kind of tequila we got there?
Crystal
Got some
ball.
Cristal. All right, so we're going to cover it up. We're going to leave a little bit of room, the tent, so that it can breathe. Putting these in the oven right now. The oven is at 225. Come back in about an hour and see what we came up with. By the way, we're back on the air this Sunday afternoon at 5 p.m. We're going to be talking to a lady that's a professor, economics at Pepperdine, and we're going to be talking about our restaurant's going to survive. It's Peter Dills. We're making barbecue ribs.